To complete the lesson Interactive Board Games Progress Report, open the lesson. Now today you're going to be working on your specific job as far as the plans that your team made last week for your interactive board game. So that means if you're the programmer, you're going to be in Scratch. If you're designing the 3D game pieces, you're going to be in Tinkercad. If you're the board designer, you're going to get the cardboard from me and begin working on your board. And so before you leave today, you need to go over here to this array, click on it, and click on Docs. And then click the plus sign right here and create a new document. Up in the title field, you need to title it. Let me go see what I asked you to title it. You're going to title it Board Game Progress Day 1. So you're going to type in Board Game Progress Day 1. And in the document field, you're going to type in what your goal is. My goal is to log in and watch a tutorial video. And then you're going to tell me what you finished. So my goal was to watch a tutorial video. You may say, I watched 3 videos and began programming. So right here is, I need you to specifically tell me what you accomplished today working towards your goal. Then you just simply close the tab, come back down here and click Add, and this triangle button for Google Drive, because then your document's going to show up right there. And remember, don't forget to go in and call it Board Game Progress Day 1. So click on it and hit Add. And then once it's loaded in, you simply click Turn In, Turn In. And as always, don't forget to go up here and sign out of your Google Classroom.